Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. So today we are going to be learning about how can we record ourselves while recording the video in MacBook. So what I'll do is I'll show you how can we record ourselves. So first of all, what I'll do is I'll go to QuickTime Player. So while using QuickTime Player app, which is provided by the MacBook, you can download it from App Store, and then you can click here cancel, then go to file tab. As you can see, currently I'm recording the video, so you cannot do new screen recording. So at the top you can see you can record new movie recording, and you can record the audio also from here. So I'll click new movie recording here. So if I click here, then you can see I can be displayed. I can show myself while recording the video, and also I can resize the in the area I want to represent myself, and also I can move from here to here and place the as per my requirements from here also. So as you can see, I can do like this. And also if I open some file or tab, so how can I display myself? So let's say I have opened this sheet. As you can see, I cannot display myself now. So to do this, what I'll do is I'll go to QuickTime Player, then I click here, then I'll go to View tab. So in View tab, what I'll do is I'll just click Float on top, and if I click here, then you can see it is floating on top of the work which I am doing. So this is how you can record yourself while creating a video. So I hope you find this video useful, and if you find this video useful, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and press the bell notification for further updates. So take care, bye bye.